Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Remains Lukman, and today I want to show you how to attract money fast using one simple ingredient. And this ingredient is just an ingredient that you probably might be having now in your home. Yes, you are using one simple ingredient. On this channel we talk about how to make money online and offline. We also look at the spiritual significance of money, or spiritual way, natural way to look at money. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to get money fast using one ingredient. And the ingredient we'll be using is no other one than sugar. You are surprised. So was I when I learned of this ritual. I actually learned of the ritual. A friend called my attention to it, and when I tried it, I was like surprised, because if anybody had told me that you can actually use sugar in this way, I know sugar has been a spiritual ingredient, but I never know sugar can be used in this manner. So if it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing now. Just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget, subscription is free. Subscribing to this channel is free. You are not paying to anybody. Now let's get into it. Like I said, this spiritual exercise, we are going to be needing sugar, and the sugar can be granulated or it can be cube sugar. And the granulated sugar, this is what is referred to as granulated sugar for those who does not know, and this is what is referred to as cube sugar. But sugar is sugar. You can use any of the two, but preferably I'll prefer the granulated sugar. So there are two ways we are going to be performing this ritual. There are two ways to it. If you cannot do one, then you do the other. And if you are that person that is so spiritually inclined, then you can do the two, because one does not disturb the other. So let us look at the first one. The first one, you are going to be needing sugar as the main ingredient. You are going to be needing sugar as the main ingredient. Then you are going to be needing an incense burner. I will also link the picture here so that you can see what an incense burner. This is used in religious houses. Like if you are a Catholic, you know what I'm talking about, or if you belong to the celestial camp, you understand, or you are a member of the cherubim and seraphim. Even Muslims do use it. Traditionalists do use it. We use it in Africa often, incense burner. But if you don't have an incense burner, you can just look for a bowl with a burning coal inside. So we are going to be using sugar as the main ingredient, then incense burner with coal inside, a burning coal inside. So when you have these two ingredients, it is simple. All you are going to be using is get your sugar and get the incense burner with a burning coal. Just go to every room in your home. Once you get to each room with the incense burner with the burning coal, just take a spoonful of sugar and drop in the incense burner. Allow this to infuse and let the flame fill the room, that particular room. Leave it for a while. Let it fill the particular room. After then, you move to the next room. If you have 3 rooms, do it in all the 3 rooms. If you have more than 3, do it in all the rooms in your house. And if you have just 1 room, then do it in that room. If you are the type that uses a self-contained, as we call it here. You can just make sure you do it in every room that you have in that particular house. Just take a spoon of sugar, drop it in the incense burner that is already burning with coal, allow it to infuse, and let the flame covers, not flame, this the smoke that comes out, the fragrance of the sugar, let it fill the room. Once you do it like this, just do it, make sure you do it very well, and just wait for the next 15 days and see the result. You are going to be surprised, because you need the money fast. Within 15 days, on or before 15 days, you definitely see the kind of money you desire. This one does not require any incantation. It does not require saying anything. Just have the intention that this is what I want, and just once you have the intention that this is what I want, then carry out the spiritual exercise. That's the first one. Going to the second spiritual exercise, this one is also very simple. This, what you need with this is just, you need a porcelain glass plate, a plain glassware, where a bowl, a plain glass bowl that is filled with sugar, granulated sugar. You can use cube, but preferably granulated sugar. Then the second thing that you need is, you need some coins, money coins. Now I'm referring to money coins. I will also link that so that you can see what I mean. So just get some money coins. You can get 4, 5, 10, 6, depending on the number of rooms you have in your house. Then put them inside the sugar. Make sure you place this sugar that you have put the coins inside. Make sure you place it in a place where the moon, you can place very close to the window, where the moon will enter through the window and reflect on the sugar. You have to leave this overnight. You don't do it in the morning. You have to do it overnight, so that when the moon comes, it's better to do it during the time you have full moon. You know, when you have full moon, then the moon will have to show directly enter directly through your window into your house. So just place this bowl that you have the coins inside very close to the window, where the moon can reflect on it. You are still not saying any incantation. You can just, intention matters. This is the intention. I need this money so date, so time, and I need it very fast. And I bet you, once you do this, after the next day, you have to, like I said, you have to do it overnight. So if you do it overnight, the next day, just take the sugar that is filled with coins, then with coins, then remove all the coins. Once you remove the coins, then drop it in the corners of your house. It might not be the four corners, just drop it in a place where no legs can touch them. Just let them stay in that places, and it's going to be there for the 15 days. Don't remove it, just leave it there, but make sure nobody steps on the coins. After that 15 days, when the money arrives, then you can remove the coins. Then the sugar now that is still in the bowl, just put it in your kitchen. Keep it in your kitchen. Let the thing be in your kitchen for that same number of days, like 15 days. Just leave it there. It might be covered, it might not be covered, but don't take it. After 15 days, or when the money has arrived, if the money arrives earlier than 15 days, then all you need to do is go and discard this sugar. You can put it in water and just spread it to where you can see fowls, chickens can take it, but you don't need to take it again. Just go and discard it. But the coins that you left, if the money has arrived, then you can pick it up. But one good thing about this ritual is that you can do it from time to time. You can do it from time to time, especially when you need money fast. When you need money fast, you can be doing it. I'm not saying you should be doing it every day, but at least if you do it this month and the next month you still need money. You know, spiritual things are things that you can combine so many. By the way, if you are new to this channel, we talk about how to make money online and offline. We also look at natural, simple hacks to life problem, how to solve our money problem naturally without going the diabolical way. And we've done so many videos. You can combine most of the rituals we talk about in our videos. Just check the channel Smart Idea TV. Most of the rituals we talk about, you can combine them just to enhance your spiritual life, and you will never lack money. Your life will never remain the same. You continue to progress if you do these things, these spiritual things that I'm telling you about, that you don't have reason, you don't have cause to complain of lack. You won't lack money. You continue to have money. If others are not getting money, you will be getting money. If others are not getting promotion in your place of work, you will be getting promotion. If others are not earning in their business, you will be earning. Anybody can do it. Student can do it. So far you have some things that you are doing. If you are a civil servant, you can do it. 9 to 5, you can do it. If you are doing your own business, you can do it. Anybody can do it. This is a very, very good ritual. You can combine it with other rituals. I've done some other videos. I'll also link that. Make sure you watch that next, that I've done on the spiritual usefulness of sugar, how to use sugar to solve your natural life problems. I will also link that problem. If you have got value from this video, consider subscribing. Just subscribe. Like I said, it is free. Subscribe and it is free. So I have to stop here until I come your way again. Remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.